Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abdullah from 𝗪𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗏. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you a step by step and how we can explore how we can also get a AI credit worth of $20 for free. So I'm going to be introducing you to Wonder Design, how you can get the AI started, how you can also join a Contra challenge which gives you up to 10,000 US dollar when you are part of the winner of the challenge. Yes, so now today's video we're going to be exploring an AI tool called Wonderline and also how you are going to be getting the pro plan for free without paying any dime. If you're new to this channel, all you have to do is just make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get notified when new videos are posted, so you won't be able to miss out on it. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I post videos concerning people who want to get started in tech and related to some tools they can use, how they can get some free plan, and for some individual trying to like get started in one way or the other. So now the next thing is that I'm going to be introducing you to Wonder Design. So all you have to do is just head over to any browser you're using and search for the word Wonder Design, as you can see over here. Yes, so now when you click on Wonder Design, you can make it sure you put some additional things like Wonder Design AI or Wonder Design Tools. Yes, but it's going to be the first result you're going to be getting on your SRP page, which is your search engine results page. Yeah, so now when you get there, you're going to see Wonder.design. Yeah, so that is where we're going to be claiming our pro plan for free, which was $20. The next part is for you to get introduced to a community and a freelance platform which is called Contra, whereby creative can get onboarded to it and you'll be able to create amazing things, get job over, and at the same time win challenges. So the link to this is going to be provided in the video's description below. So all you have to do is just for you not to miss out. And you have any question regarding Contra, do make sure you drop it in the comments. So now the next thing we're going to be looking at is like at this part where you can see view all, which is at this sidebar, the current event ongoing. You can see the countdown is ticking and there are some that has some days left, like this 3 days to left, and this is what we're going to be discussing today, whereby we have the Wonder Challenge. So now the next thing is let's click on the Wonder Challenge and it's going to take us to the challenge page. These are the current ongoing challenge. Yes, so they have their own price too, but we're going to be exploring Wonder Challenge for the sake of this video. When you click on the Wonder Challenge, it's going to head you over here, and as you can see, there's a post made on it, so by this particular person. So he is also the CEO of Wonder. So he made a post and he said we're giving away 10,000 US dollar to winner and Pro Plus plan, meaning you're not just getting the Pro plan alone, you are getting a Pro Plus plan when you become a winner. So there is a price put to it, there's a guideline on how it works. So all you have to do is just make sure you use the code, which is the Contra at the checkout. Yeah, so let's copy. Okay, so now we've copied it, and the next thing you can see people are already on it. After getting to, we've already see what it takes for the challenge, and the next thing is for us to just head over to Wonder Design. Yes, as you can see, I said is you are going to go to the URL direction of Wonder.design. Yes, so now this is Wonder.design. So let's wait for it to load. As it has a design layout perspective in the UI, like you're familiar with some editing tools. So the next thing you can see their menu here, their career, and the major part here is you opening the app or start for free. So here is more of like a mock-up layout on how it works, how you can make things better. So you can also use this for your UI UX if you are very good at it. So you can see companies that have used it or they're still working. There's Outlier, there's Antler, and some other amazing companies. So this is the design interface where you can design with agents, build on code which are ready for production, and every design inform the next. So there's no you going back on anything, so you don't have any issue. The next design is going to make sure that okay, it refers to the previous one. Yeah, so you can see how it works, and the next thing for the purpose of this video without taking our time is to get directly into it. So when you click on open app, it's going to take you over here, and it's loading up, and we are going to sign up if you are a first-time user. But if you're not a first-time user, the next thing you need to do is just for you to log in with any of the SSO that is available. For example, we have continue with Google, Microsoft, or GitHub, and if you just want to sign in, you can sign in. So this is my details here. So I already have an account. I can do all to continue. So the authorization is being processed and it's trying to confirm my account. We already have it authenticate, so let's just wait for the dashboard to load up. Okay, great. So as you can see on my dashboard there, what we have is just my account that I just logged in here, and also I log in with a fame account too. Yes, so I'm still the owner of this, and this is the onboarding guide on how you can get started, and I'm logging directly to my profile. Yes, so you can see the other profile I have, which is this, and it's the same thing you're seeing here. So here is a file on how you'll be able to organize your files, just more of like a folder. And if you want to start a new project, you can start directly from here, which is new project. This is your setting, which is more of like your profile settings. So you can do how to edit your username here and display name. So the preference, this is literally how you want the notification and the theme to be. And the next is the planning. Yes, so now when you sign up, you're going to be getting a free 300 credits. Yes, and but we are going to explore more than that today. So just make sure you sign up with the link in the video description below. To do is just click on the upgrade button. As you can see, this right corner is at the profile image. Click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to the subscription or the billing. So either you click here or you just click on adjust plan. Yes, so now this is what we have for 300 credits, and we are going to get in the 30,000 credits for free. So these are the features that are here. Yes, so and access to 600 plus unlimited project priority. So the next thing you need to do is click on upgrade. So while you click on upgrade, there's going to be a redirection to a checkout which is powered by Stripe. So this work across every country that Stripe is supported. So just wait for the interface to load, and we are going to be putting in our unique code, which is the Contra, all in capital letter. So as you can see, this has loaded up for us. You can continue with link if you want to pay directly. So but here we are talking about getting this for free without paying any dime. So this is what it gives for you as an individual, as we've seen pricing. And then here you have $20, so you can do how to use the promotion code, so which is Contra. Let's just paste it. Okay, so we have Contra, as you can see, all in capital letter. Then click on apply. So you click on the apply here, and let's just wait for it to load up if exactly your account is eligible for it. So it's loading. Okay, so make sure you use it in capital letter, type in capital letter, and use the promo code, which is Contra. So you can see, instead of paying $20, I can now pay a value worth all for free without paying anything. I can now pay zero. So the next thing is we already have this here, which is $0 has going to be due today, and let's just click on subscribe to continue. So we need to select a payment method, meaning we are literally going to add our card. So if you're a Nigerian or someone from the Western Africa or the African continent using or watching this video, the next thing you need to do is just make sure you get your card available. So either you use a MasterCard or a FF card, but at the same time you can use your dollar card if any of this card is being declined. So now let's put in our card details, and we will be able to move on to the subscription. Let's do that now. Okay, yeah, so as you can see my screen now, I already put in my details, and it's a MasterCard. Yeah, so and the next thing to do is just to click on the subscribe, and let's see if it's going to accept this Nigerian MasterCard thing. Let's just wait for a bit. Good, as you can see, it's successfully. So and let's look at our plan, and let's go directly into our dashboard. So you can see this URL, it says your billing upgrade success. So we now had our pro plan now. So you can see there, this is literally the current plan that we are, and it's going to renew by August 3, so which is literally by next month. So this is the MasterCard I use, which is literally a Nigerian based. So this is the invoice that I got. So I got a Wonder Pro, which is worth of $20 for free without paying any dime. And if you wish to cancel, you can cancel it here. So now we already had more than 300 credits, the regular 300 credits, and now we have 3000 credits, and you can use it to join this hackathon, participate, create a new file, get started with what seems to be the guideline. So if you love this video, all you have to do is do not forget to watch it step by step. Click on all the link that in the video description below, so you won't be stranded with anything, and at the same time do well to share across to any individual you think this might be of benefit to. Do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.